Working with a SAW file from SAW Studio Audio software and need to access the project? This is a multi-track audio project from the Professional Digital Audio Workstation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these SAW Studio Audio project files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest SAW cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. SAW files are audio project files created by SAW Studio software. Audio Workshop, a professional digital audio workstation developed by RML Labs. They contain multi-track recording session data, including audio clip references, track configurations, mixer settings, effects routing and automation envelopes for music production, audio post-production, and broadcast applications. SAW Studio. SAW files use a project format, storing track lists, clip references with timeline positions, mixer, console configurations, effects, plugin settings, and automation data. The format references external audio files rather than embedding them, following RML Labs specifications for efficient project organization and collaboration in professional audio workflows. The common standard viewer for SAW is typically SAW Studio from Innovative Quality Software. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows plays the audio, but adjusting waveforms or cleaning noise requires specialized tools. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your SAW file and choose Open With. Test with SAW Studio first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If your SAW file will not open yet, do not panic. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in SAW Studio. Launch SAW Studio software from RML Labs and use File then Open Project to load the SAW project file. The application restores the complete session, including all tracks, clip placements, mixer settings, and effects configurations, enabling continued production work, where the previous session left off with full editing capability. Next, locating external audio. Since SAW projects reference external audio files, ensure the audio media is accessible at the expected paths. If files were moved, use SAW Studio's media management functions to relink audio sources. Maintain organized project folders with audio files alongside the SAW project file for portable session transfer and backup. Finally, exporting to other DAWs. Export SAW Studio projects to standard interchange formats like AAF or OMF for use in other digital audio workstations. Use SAW Studio's export function to render mixed audio or stems for collaboration with users of Pro Tools Logic Pro or other professional DAW software outside the SAW Studio ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.